In pharmaceutical distribution, traceability means knowing exactly where a product has been, where it is now, and where it's going next. That traceability starts with the manufacturer. They create the first record by assigning batch numbers, issuing certificates of analysis, and documenting everything according to Alcoa Plus principles. Next, the distributor or courier picks up the product. They record the handover, monitor transport conditions like temperature and humidity, and track the journey using GPS. When the shipment arrives at a warehouse, staff log its arrival, check that storage conditions meet the required standards, and document any issues or deviations immediately. Finally, at the pharmacy or hospital, the last checks are made. The product's condition is verified, and the dispensing is recorded, completing the full traceability chain. At every step, the rules are the same. Document clearly, record conditions, and report any problems without delay. This level of traceability allows companies to act fast in case of a recall and to act with confidence.